This video is to show you how I've glazed a green oak frame using the surface glazing method. The material I've used are Vita Seal expanding joint sealing tape, 20mm wide, 3 to 7mm gap fill, stainless steel pitted drive screws, 5 by 60mm, and stainless steel index screws, 6 by 7 by 100mm. To form the rebate, I've used 35mm marine ply purchased in 8 by 4 sheets. And for the capping boards, I've used quarter sawn oak from a sawmill, ready cut to my specification, widthwise, but overcut so I can cut to length on site. And then the glass is Plenitherm by Glass Solutions, a special glass for this type of application, and this is a 424 size, giving you a 28mm in total thickness. The system I've used is, first of all, sand the outside of the oak frame reasonably smooth, because you're going to put your self-adhesive strip on here. Then cut your plywood to form the rebate. This needs to be cut so there's 25mm rebate showing to allow for a 20mm overlap on the glass and a 5mm expansion gap on both sides. And on the bottom, make sure you leave a gap on the end of the bottom board to allow for any water to drain away for water ingress. When you've fitted all your plywood all the way around, you can then cut your capping boards and fit to size. These need to be drilled in pairs at 350mm approximately intervals for fixing. When you drill these, you'll need to drill a pilot hole right through into the oak frame. And before you fit the capping boards, I would suggest you screw in the screw, and there's a bit of grease on the end. You can then drive them home in and out, so it's easy for them to go in when you actually fit the capping board. Make sure you use the torque setting on your drill driver, because these do actually snap quite easily if over torqued. And I've used that, and I finished off tightening them up with one of these at the very end. When you've done all that, you're then ready to fit the glass. Using the Vita Seal, foam seal, to the edge of the oak frame, fit that all the way around in what's going to be the inside. Put your piece of glass in. Have some of these screwed on ready, just so you can turn them on to keep the glass from falling out. And then you'll need to put some more seal, of course, on the back side of the oak capping board, and then offer it up and screw it on. Once you've done that, you'll then need to fit the wooden caps in the holes. When you cut these to length, make sure you keep the offcuts and label them up so you know which offcut goes with each board. So the caps will then match the board in question. And these can just be glued in using some resin W glue, sanded off. I hope that may have been some help. If you're glazing, good luck. And this is what it should look like when it's finished. This is the side that is now completely finished, bar the fascia capping boards. And here is the gable end, which I've halfway through finishing. You can see I haven't finished putting the caps on yet, and indeed I've just got to finish this end off here. I hope that's been helpful.